Hey YouTube. So today I'm about to show you guys how to do my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So the first thing I'm about to do is take my Lower Mercy Air setting powder and I'm going to apply some of that on top of my eyebrows. And the reason why I do this is just because I like the finishing touch once I'm done with my eyebrows. It looks very nice. So now I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to brush my eyebrows into the direction that I want them to go. So now that I've brushed my eyebrows into the direction I want them to go, I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil, sharpen it up a little bit. And now I'm going to draw my eyebrows on. I'm going to start from the middle of my eyebrow to the end. And then once I'm done drawing my arch and the end of my eyebrow, I'm going to work my way up towards my front of my eyebrow, but very lightly at the front. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next eyebrow and I'm going to do the same thing. I didn't fill in my eyebrow just yet. I'm going to do it once I'm done with drawing them on. And eyebrows may look very different from each other. Remember, your eyebrows aren't twins, they're sisters, so they're not going to have everything exactly the same. They're going to have different type of qualities, different type of shapes, whatever. So after I'm done, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Well, right now, actually, I'm just making sure that my arch is kind of right. And now I'm going to fill them in. And you're going to fill them in very lightly, not too harsh. Remember, you could always fix your eyebrows with the concealer because the concealer will fix it and fix up any mistakes that you made during the filling in process of your eyebrows. So don't worry that they're looking like this now, because once you're done, they will look good. They'll look how you want them to look. Okay, so now I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to brush my eyebrows very lightly. It may look like I'm doing it roughly, but everything I'm doing is very lightly. So now I'm going to take my concealer and my concealer brush, and my concealer that I'm using is Juvia Palace. It's in the color Dominicana, I believe, or Dominica. Um, don't really know how to pronounce it, but that's the concealer that I'm using to conceal my eyebrows. LOL, this looks very funny, but it's going to look better once I'm done. So now I'm taking the concealer and I'm brushing the concealer towards the end of my eyebrow very lightly. This process, you have to do it very slowly and very lightly because you don't want the concealer to go over into your eyebrows and mess the whole process up. So at this process, you have to be very, very delicate with your hands. Okay, so now I'm going to take my spoolie once more and I'm going to brush my eyebrows one more time. And I also took a little bit of concealer just to fix up my eyebrows. So now I'm going to take my buffing brush and I'm going to buff out the concealer into my skin. So now I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to draw on some of the places that the concealer may have messed up. I don't know why I said I was going to take the spoolie and brush them before, but that was the wrong thing. Now I'm taking spoolie and I'm going to brush them up. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend out the product on my eyes and on top of my forehead more into my skin. Okay, and there you have it. Your eyebrows are done, girl. So now we're going to go on to applying my eyelashes. And these eyelashes are just regular eyelashes from the hair store. So I'm going to use my glue, which is hair glue. You can use any type of glue that you would like. I use hair glue from time to time. It just depends on what I have with me. So now I'm applying the glue on top of my eyelashes. So now I'm going to take some of my mascara and I'm going to apply that on my eyelashes. You don't have to use a lot. You can just use a little bit, being that you are putting false lashes on top of your real lashes, so you don't have to put that much on there. So now I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to brush out my eyelashes. So now I'm about to apply my eyelashes with my tweezers. I sometimes even do it with my fingers, just depending on what mood I'm in. So right now I'm just making sure that the eyelash is on correctly. Okay, so now I'm going on to my next eyelash. And I'm going to do the same steps that I did before and put my eyelash on. Okay, so basically that's it with the video. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And just be on the lookout for more videos because I will be doing more videos. And I love you guys. Bye.